Here's a roadmap. If you have less than 10,000 followers, how you can make 1 lakh rupees using different streams of income. So let's just say you make an average of 15 to 20K a month from sponsorships, right? You have that. Well and good. Usually people on Instagram, fashion brands charge for a reel and a story. And let's just say if you have 10,000 followers, you can charge anywhere around 8K for a reel and 2K for a story. So doing two of these will help you to gain the 20K target. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not telling you to go ahead and do affiliate marketing for products which are of 500 rupees or like 200 rupees. If you find something which is really good and has a good affiliate commission, if you just promote products like these, it's going to take you so long to make even 5,000 rupees from your affiliate marketing. Let's just say this is your target for the month for affiliates. If you just keep on selling affiliates links of 500 or 2,200 rupees, it is literally you have to sell like probably 100 of these, which is possible, but it is going to take you a lot of time for it. So what you want to do instead is sell the affiliate links which are something which have a higher order value, something around 2K or 3K, right? Right now a lot of good things come under this, so you can try to sell that as well. Now how are you going to sell this affiliate marketing? Is mostly via your Instagram reels, using the automation option to sell the affiliating thing, using the Instagram chatbot to sell via affiliate marketing. If you're a fashion creator, you might have worked with some brands, right? So the next thing is to go ahead and take up styling projects. You can either teach styling, so teach, I'm sorry for my handwriting, or you can work with a brand to style them on some campaign. Just understand what I've written, right? And you can charge, let's just say if you're teaching some student about styling, you can charge 10K, or you can charge a flat fee of 20,000 per project, and that will give you 20K. You just need to find one client who is interested in doing that. Next thing, as a fashion creator, which we all have, is a lot of clothes. So instead of just keeping them in your closet eating dust, you can actually sell them, and you can sell them anywhere. Make sure that it is around 10K. You can also give combined discounts and offers. So yeah, that is the next thing. And then the next thing, if you have really really high end clothes with yourself, for example saris and lehengas, you can actually tell your friends, your families, your cousins, all of them, your colleagues even, that you are open to rent out those outfits for wedding functions, right? No one is going ahead and buying all of these outfits, so you can actually rent them out. And you can literally, if you have extremely high end lehengas, you can easily make like 5 to 6 from per renting. Like if you have like luxury lehenga, that's what I'm talking about. But let's just say if you have a lehenga which is worth 30K, you can easily rent it out for 20% of it, right? So you can make potentially 4 to 6 thousand from per outfit rental, and this you can just do 2 or 3 times, and you can make anywhere around 20,000 rupees. The next thing, which is very, very underrated, is something which is related to Instagram and sponsorships and affiliate marketing, but has a completely different pay structure to it. This is called as UGC. UGC stands for user generated content. Now, what happens here is that let's just say this is you and this is the brand. All the brand needs is you to create a video for them. Let's just say if you're a fashion creator, mostly fashion brands will collaborate with you. You just have to create a video. This is a video side. You just have to create the video and send it to the brand, and then the brand will pay you money. You don't have to post it. You do not even need a Instagram following for this, right? And now per UGC video, let's just say you have excellent editing skills and communication skills. You know how to portray videos, portray how to sell products via videos, which is product photography and videography in a good way. You can charge anywhere around 5,000 or even more per video. So that will bring your total, even if you do just like 3 UGC videos in a month, you can make 15,000 rupees. And now we are close. If you just calculate all of this, you've already made 90,000 rupees by not even knowing it, right? The next thing which you can do is very, very hidden, but it can make you extra money. The next thing is called as ad, right? So what exactly is this? Let's just say this month you created a sponsored video for a brand. They really liked it, right? And they were like, okay, we want to run ads on this for 1 month. How much are your charges? You can say a particular amount. Or let's just say the brand you did sponsorships, then they hired you for UGC. And they are like, you know what? We also want to run ad rights on it. Can you tell me amount? So here you can charge anywhere around 10K to 12K for ad rights uses. Again, if you have a good amount of following, you can charge anywhere more than that. But as a beginner, this is what I would recommend you to do. If you want to reach 1 lakh a month, in the start doing all of these things. You'll get an idea on which one you really like doing and which one you want to continue to keep on doing and which one is getting you more money. So let's just say if you know that renting outfits is working amazingly for you, then go ahead and double down on this. And maybe selling clothes is not working out, then you can remove it the next month. But in the start, you can try out in this way. And I know a lot of people don't know a lot of ideas on how they can make money if you love fashion. So these were some of the ideas. Now, the most important thing for you to do is go ahead and click the link down below and check my UGC course if you're interested to know especially about this. And make sure to subscribe and tell me which other niche should I talk about here next. And I would love to give my opinion on that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.